as an effect of my negative side, which I feel that is when I switched to English. I wrote a poem in Spanish that is kind of related to this one in some type of way. That one, the name is Soy un Demonio, and I recorded it too. And it's the same universe, it's the same world, it's the same logic, it's basically the same character, but really that depends more on the reader. See, I feel like with the listeners in this case and the readers, the people that I appreciate, they take their time of their life or their existence to just read some words that I put together or listen to them. You have earned the right to give any meaning that you want to my words, because they're not really mine. They come from somewhere else, and then I put it out there again. So it's our words, because I'm so sure that y'all better readers than me. But I respect your perception. I really do. It's funny because that's coming from a demon. I will say the baptize of a demon. Is the baptize of a demon, the homecoming of a legion. It's me, the one that once have controls of all the regions, because I like to see everything being ruled by their own freedom. Is whoever ignored me or give me a reason, I'm just an imaginary element of your realistic vision. You might forgive me, or maybe you will try to make me part of your mission. You might lose me in one of my transitions, because I get really bored of all this fiction. This is not just a display of my talent. Don't stay on the surface. This is also magic. Spells that will make you believe in the meaning of my ideas, seeking understanding beyond what make our eyes trust logic. After all, it was written on paper, the storyline that we count with our years. Flip the symbols and you will always find the light, your light, playing with the shadows. Can't wait to show the world what you have become. You are no longer spiritually hollow. Because don't matter how obvious is your pain, yourself still the only witness of your sorrow. Like always, today seems like a waste of time just to depend on tomorrow. Trying to make sense with a bunch of contradictions, born from a living dreamer. Today might be the day that you get saved by a killer. Today might be the day that you receive forgiveness from a sinner. The unconscious hunger served on this dinner. You might see today the end of a beginner. It's the doom of a civilization in the mind of a thinker, because the selfishness of your thirst have let dry my last river, drinking your own death. That's the lack of faith of a believer. I'm floating over a world that you create, but you don't know that it actually exists. Because when you dream, there's no rules, but everything must be. It's just a little of the mysticism that compose your dreams, and a lot of those writings, those without trying, says what I really mean. I want to say it all today. I don't want secrets on my tongue. I want to die with our years on my body, just heaven on my floor. I don't want to be rich in a system that keep the spirits poor. I don't want nothing else if I really don't need more. I don't want earthly goals. All I want to do is to keep opening these doors. I don't want to decorate your ritual with my blood, because honestly, my conversation is not with you, it's with God. Now, I feel like sometimes we discriminate with the shadows so much. But when the day is too hot, we look for the shades. And then we become friends for a brief moment with the shades. Are the same shadows. They scare you for not knowing your friends. And then you leave when the days go down, when you don't need no more protection. They all leave. People leave. But you hear that voice? He says, be the difference. Don't wait to have 1,000,000 to give 10,000. If you have 10, just give 5. At the end of the day, it's just paper. And a lot of people are gonna come up with that, oh no, but this, justifying. Not knowing the survival of a body. But the empathy is what really keeps us alive, so I don't know what they're talking about. Have a blessed night, even if I'm a demon.